Kathleen the Plant Mom, and we are here to start our introductory workshop on making flower crowns. First, you're going to need to know how to set up, and these are our supplies and our tools. On my right is florist tape that you're going to need for taping the plants to the wire, and then we have the wire. We've got the smaller gauge, which is right around 18. It's really thin and it's good for wiring leaves and smaller flowers on the crown. Then you have the larger gauge, which is anywhere from 28 to 33, what you're going to use to wire roses and your heavier flowers, and then also to pull it together. And then we have what we call paddle wire, and it's on a paddle, and it's what we use to wrap the flowers and the leaves onto the different hair bands. And these are just cutters for the plants, for the different leaves and things like that. And then we have pliers, the bigger ones, and then we have needle nose pliers for you to twist your wire. Wire cutters are very important. Then these are the ways you're going to attach the flower crowns to your head. First of all, we've got a tortoiseshell hairband that's a little wider than, these are more for heavier flowers or bigger ones or something that you want offside of your head. And then we've got the smaller ones that are for the smaller, little flowy and breathy kind of bridesmaids kind of hairbands. And then this is a heavy wire. This is copper. You don't have to use copper. You can also use stainless steel. But this is a wire that we're going to make into a circle pattern to go around your head. This is what you're going to need to get started.